Okay, here are 5 things you can do right now to make your house look more expensive and a bit more like interior designed. I'm sitting in my car in New York waiting for the street cleaners so I don't get a ticket, and I brought my baby mic so I could do a TikTok video. Let's go. Number 1 is to layer your rugs. When I worked for Ralph Lauren, this was kind of like a prerequisite. We had to do this in all of the stores that we designed. It adds texture, dimension, and makes your house just look a bit more curated. I don't love when they're super symmetrical like that last picture. I like them a little uneven like this or on an angle. Number 2, replace the boob light. Nadine Stay did this great little kind of gallery of all the different options you have to replace your boob light. Just search for flush mount or semi-flush mount lighting. And if you're a renter, take down the boob, put up your light, and replace it before you leave. Number 3 is a great set of Roman shades. I did this in my house upstate. I found them on Wayfair. They were super affordable, but it's perfect for a room with a shorter ceiling or a window that isn't super dramatic. Number 4 is to mix up the textures in your living space. This is a designer favorite, so vintage, leather, wood, concrete. You want that look that's like, oh, nothing to see here, just this like vintage 1800s milk bowl. And last but not least, mix up your frames. These certainly shouldn't match. If you want that kind of curated designer look, try mixing in vintage, wood, black gallery frame. And I even like throwing an object into the mix to make it feel really special. I'm gonna keep waiting for the street cleaner and follow for more.
I'm an interior designer, and these are my Walmart picks. These huge terrariums are back in stock. I use mine for coffee. The opening is large enough to fit your hand in. These are new cutting boards that they have in different shapes. If you like this look, you can layer them, and they're also functional. Long cotton rug runners. I've said this before, but get yourself some of this. Fold it over, stuff it with your favorite filling. Tape it up, make these long lumbar pillows. This is a really pretty green one. Something like this or this. Looks pretty on a sofa as well. These frames, less than $4. Put art, family photos. And these smaller ones for $2. You could do something like this. Let me know what you think. I hope you found this helpful.
Here are 7 interior design trends I think we're going to see a lot more of in 2022. Number 1 is textured walls. Whether that's a natural stone, a lime wash paint, or brick, or anything like that, I definitely think we're going to see more texture in 2022. Number 2 are these countertop ledge shelves. This is an extension of the countertop backsplash combo, and it turns into a very functional piece of your kitchen. Speaking of kitchens, I think we're going to have a lot more statement kitchen islands and the use of different materials on the kitchen island compared to the rest of the kitchen. Number 4 is rounded furniture pieces. These are definitely really beautiful furniture pieces and interesting element, but out of all the other trends, this is the one I think is going to be the least timeless. Number 5 is a vintage revival. I think we're going to see a lot more antique pieces and thrifted pieces with a modern touch. And I think oriental rugs are going to make a big comeback. Number 6, we've seen a lot of throughout 2021, but I don't think wood beams on the ceilings are going anywhere anytime soon. A lot of these trends also apply to number 7, which is more earth elements like stone, wood, and marble. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more.
How to make your house look more expensive, part 7. If this is your aesthetic, you do you, boo, but it's too cluttered for me. And I don't hate all gallery walls. I love this hallway from Alex Garza. If each of the things on this wall was only $15 or $20, that's still several $100s. With that money, you could instead invest in one large piece of artwork. Here's another example from Crate & Barrel that shows that one piece of artwork can look a lot more sophisticated than a bunch of little ones. And this one from the Studio McGee line at Target is only $75. And so is this one. I've also found really great large art pieces at HomeGoods. I linked a bunch of large art pieces in my bio. Like and follow for more.
Welcome back to my series. If you like this design style, look for these things, where I give you tons of decor ideas for the aesthetic you're going for.
If you like the well-lived-in look of transitional style, here's what I would grab. Look for lighting that's simple yet elegant like these to add warmth to your room. I'd also add a statement-making tree, faux or real, and some beautiful branches and pottery. A combination of modern and more traditional prints will make your room look more personally curated. And finally, you have to layer with all the cozy throws. I'll have everything linked and follow for more.
Tips to making your home look bougie. Choose statement lighting. Go big with mirrors and artwork. Add wall molding. Install floor-to-ceiling curtains.
I've been seeing people use this to install tile all over TikTok, so I had to give it a try. It's basically a double-sided adhesive that you just stick your tile onto. I'm installing it on this wall here that goes up to my roof deck, and the nice thing about this is you don't actually have to wait to start grouting. I've never tiled before in my life, so stay tuned to see the final product.
Y'all asked for a renter-friendly way to hang curtains? Well, I've got it for you. While standing in the 3M command section at Target, I saw these broom grippers and realized the diameter of a broom and the diameter of a curtain rod is the same. So light bulb moment, decided to install these broom grippers horizontally in place of the brackets that come with a curtain rod. So for my windows, I put up 4. To give it a finished look, I made sure I had even amounts of fabric on each side of each gripper before I firmly pushed the rod into place. This completely hid them, and I love the way it turned out. It's very sturdy and secure too. I don't have any fears this is gonna fall. Y'all asked for a renter-friendly way to hang curtains, and I think I delivered. Make sure to follow for more home decor ideas and hacks.
If you want your bed to look like this but hate having a million throw pillows, this is your minimalist guide to making your bed and still looking Pinterest worthy. To start things off, this is your friendly reminder to clean your mattress if you haven't done so in a while. Step 1, add your fitted sheet and your top sheet. The key to a luxurious bed without a lot of throw pillows is going to be layering and texture. So fold down the top of your top sheet to leave room for your pillows. If you want to keep it minimal with one pillow, just use your pillow sham. Otherwise, you can use your traditional pillowcase and then your pillow sham on top. Next, you can add your quilt or comforter. And like I said, layering and texture is key to this look, so a textured blanket will be best. Fold the blanket down about halfway down the bed, and then fold it back up so that it's layered like this. You should be able to see the top fold of your bedsheet. Now, feel free to stop here because this will still give you a really luxurious look, but if you want to take it one step further, just add a comforter to the bottom so you can still see the quilt, and a knitted throw for a little warmth and texture. Feel free to add as many throw pillows as you'd like from this point on, but there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and follow for more home decor tips and tricks.
2 easy ways you can decorate your bedroom for spring. Let's get into it. So we're going to be focusing on the dresser and nightstand. On this side of the dresser, I'm going in with this cute gray vase and adding some faux eucalyptus and finishing it off with this tray and candle. On the other side, I'm keeping it simple and just adding this piece of greenery that I put together. Moving on to the nightstand, I'm adding a tray, this greenery arrangement, and topping it off with the candle, and this is how everything turned out.
Eight great home decor finds off of Amazon for those on a budget. These simple white curtains in black rod. We also put them here and here. This cute rug. This porcelain utensil holder and spoon rest. These champagne gold cabinet pulls and knobs. These modern velvet dining chairs. This light up salt rock lamp. This beautiful crystal bowl. And my favorite large black shower head. Everything is linked in my Amazon store.
I'm going to share with you how I redid my entire living room for under $1,000. Here is before. Rug by Boutique Rugs, $98. Coffee table, $125, TJ Maxx. Elle Decor Couch by Walmart, $450. And this little side table is from Target. This bookcase has 5 shelves, 72 inches tall, and is $110. Chair, $300. Hello! Linked in my bio.